Good morning, guys. I think I overslept. This is not good. I should do like this. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Angel Rider. So guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make an origami. This one, what do you say? Butterfly. Sorry. So for that, you will need a square paper. Yeah. First step you gotta do is take the paper and fold it like this. Then, guys, this step is easier. Then you do other step, but still, guys, I'll show you the other step. Then again, you do it like this. Then you get a cross over here, guys. Guys, I'm not going to show you the step that you fold it like this, then you do that. That's boring. That's simply for adding something. Then you do it like, you see. Wait. Put your 3 fingers here, 3 here, and with this pinky finger, push these 3 fingers, and with the thumb you push them up. Yeah, you hold them like this. Then from these 2 fingers, you do it like this, and then you press it. Woo-hoo. Ronaldo, oh, 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 caught in a bad promo. Ronaldo, oh, 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 caught in a bad promo. Ha ha, Neymar, ha ha, ooh la la, should have stayed at Barca. I missed that promo. Ha ha, Neymar, ha ha, over the bar, should have stayed at Barca. I missed that promo. Oh, we'll sing this after. So, you got it like this. Then you fold it. It is like this. Just fold it. Ha ha, Neymar. Ha ha, ooh la la. See, guys, you fold it like this. I need scissors for the next step, so wait for me 4 hours. Till that much time, guys, you watch the light. This one, the light. I'm not back. So guys, this area where 4 corners are there, 1 2 3 4, you cut it like this. No, did I cut it wrong or something? No, cut it like a curved line, like from here, curve like something. I'm gonna cut it, guys. First let me cut it because I'm the one who's making the video and I'm very professional. And I have 68 subscribers. I love all my subscribers. One of them is you people. Guys, please, none of you subscribe my channel. Oh. Ah! Close the door. Hey, Robin, close the door. Robin, Robin. You dumb guy. Don't hit this one. Sorry guys, this guy, he's very mad. So guys, it was like this. You cut it like this. Yeah, and then you open it. 2 sides here and 2 sides there. Then the step you need to do is, wait, first let me do. Make it like this and fold it. Like see, guys, here and here. You will get 1 2 3 4. So guys, do it like this, and only the 2 you take it and make it like this. Fine. And a down corner, you hold you hold, and from the front or the behind, I forgot it. Of course, from the behind. Come on, how to do it? I forgot. Guys, see, this is the back part. This is the place, and fine, I'll just show you guys from here. Then the down corner, you take it, lift it up. I don't think I'm very lowly. Okay, fine. I'm just doing. I missed all the little. This corner, you just bring it here and put it. This guy's cry, baby. Don't care of this guy. Every video they come, they're like spoiling my subscribers. See, guys, this was the corner. I bring it up, and the corner you put it over here, and then push this part inside and close it like this. Press it from the corner like this. And the behind part, this part, also press a little, and you gotta get a butterfly like this. You're flying on my head, flying somewhere else. See, where's the butterfly? See, on a stupid place. You guys, I wanted to show you this poster. I'm the football fan. Guys, comment down below which is your favorite football player, and see, I have a poster over there also. Eat, sleep, game. Guys, please say your best football player. And guys, see, I repeat all the steps because this must be hard for you. No, I won't. Of course I won't. I'm stupid to do it. Guys, do you know that now onwards I'm gonna every day put a video? Yeah. So because this is a butterfly, I gotta keep it on the side, and you fly somewhere else, just go kill some dragonflies and come. I don't know, do you kill or not? Yeah, I'll go from there. Yes, guys, subscribe I don't do those. Guys, subscribe my channel, like it, share it. Tell me in the comment section how was my video. And guys, you ring the notification. And guys,